Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I'm going to have for you a 2025 Kubota SVL75-3. This unit was sold new 8/4 of 2025. This unit's under full factory warranty until 8/3 of 2027. Emissions is good until 8/3 of 2030. Guys, this thing has 43 hours. There's a lot of people going to ask how I ended up with a 43-hour machine. Yes, it's 100% mine. It's a 100% legit machine. There is no BS, bull crap, anything like that about this machine. Local guy bought this brand new, and he went a different direction in what he was doing, and we ended up buying this machine. It is free and clear of any and all liens. It is my machine. We own it. Mark Supply Company does. We are not a broker. We have done a complete and full service. Why we did that, 43 hours, you're knocking on the door of your 50-hour service. So we just went ahead and changed everything, and I mean everything. Hydraulic oil, filters, planetaries, everything is done and taken care of. Guys, it's coming with a, like brand new, it's the only bucket that he had. 74-inch heavy-duty Kubota bucket with the weld-on tooth and the shank, replaceable shank with the side cutters, cab heat air, wide track joystick, AM/FM radio, backup camera, high flow model, 14-pin attachment control device. Guys, it is a loaded up machine, and you will see it is like new machine. He did scuff the paint here in a couple places. That is the only negative thing on the machine. We're going to take you back here, start you in the engine bay, take you completely around this machine. Other than a few scratches, guys, it is a like new loader, and again, it is carrying a full manufacturer's warranty, bumper to bumper currently. So we did engine oil, fuel filters, hydraulic filters, air, cabin filters are all brand new and changed. There again, that's how I like to do my thing here, and we have done that and taken care of it. The Dash 3 is unbelievable difference from the Dash 2. Just an amazing machine. This does have the auto reversing hydraulic fan. You have to be up to operating temperature for that to work. Very, very nice how they have made this a lot easier to service and a lot easier access. Big thing by moving that fuel tank up in the back door. We put a backup camera in the back door now instead of mounted up back. It does have obviously the OEM Kubota track pattern on it, track frames, all the paint's original, guys. There's no touch up, there is no story, there is no BS. Like new machine here. Again, 74-inch OEM factory Kubota bucket. This does have the nice cylinder guard kit on here. It is a high flow, so you're going to have standard 1/2-inch ports here, 3/4-inch ports here, case drain, and 14-pin attachment control device, guys. Big thing with the Kubota, we do have this overhead door that is absolutely amazing. If you don't like that overhead door, there is potentially something wrong with you. That is a very, very nice door. Landon's laughing. We already know something's wrong with him. So anyhow, LED lights. Try and touch my leg. Suspension seat, guys. Plastic is still all on the seat. Got to laugh here every once in a while to get through a day, guys. It's just the way it is. You can see underneath on the floor here, very nice, very clean. This does have your Kubota keyless dash in it. We have the passcode set to that. You are going to see here when I start the machine, reversing fan is showing it's off because we're up to operating temperature, but we can go over here actually and turn it on automatic. Reversing fan is on. There is so many cool features you can do in this dash, guys. It's unreal. We can actually go in normal, mild, quick, track response. Very, very cool. It's going to tell you that you did that. We can go back home here. You can adjust all kinds of different parameters, different things. Very, very cool. I hope you guys can see that. AM/FM radio. Go here to our backup camera. Just a lot of cool stuff here. Major updates in these Dash 3 machines. All the hang tags, guys, are still with it. We'll have all the books and manuals. 2,490 pound operating capacity. Move the quick attach up here. Then move the cab heat air controls up there. We've got vents everywhere, guys. Very nice setup on the windows, how they've done it. Move the cup holder up there. So, guys, I'm going to give this back to Landon. I want to show you here about this door again. Absolutely, beyond the shadow of a doubt, an absolutely beautiful door setup from Kubota. I'm going to go ahead, re-enter my code and run this machine. You can shut that parameter off if you don't want that. It can be set to take off. We're gonna go ahead, shut our door. Guys, they did go to a pressurized cab also, which is absolutely amazing. It is an amazing loader. I really like these machines, and I'm gonna tell you why I like them. I like them because of the door. I like them because they are truthfully simple. Now, let's face it, if you're a cat guy and that's what you run your whole life, that's great. If you're a bobcat guy, that's what you run your whole life. You don't want to try something different. I understand it. But I think these machines, they've done awesome in the market. We don't see leaks on them. We don't see cylinder leaks. We don't see major quick attach play in them after some hours like we do in a lot of the other brands. I feel that they've built quite a loader here. Undercarriage and finals are amazing. We see them, you know, in the Dash 2 stuff. You know, not uncommon to see something 5,000 hours on it. It's just not. And a lot of times the finals were never touched, pumps were never touched. So it tells you something about what they've built in those machines for sure. So there again, there's not a whole lot to say whenever you're showing a 40-hour machine, guys. If you can look past those couple little paint scuffs, there again, you're buying a machine that is under full factory warranty. It's the real deal. There's no bull crap. We got people out there in the world today that don't believe that a guy like myself comes up with stuff like this. We come up with it every day. You might be more surprised how much of that kind of stuff we buy. There's stuff like this that we buy on a daily basis that never makes it on our website because we have customers that walk in there every day looking for stuff like this, and they don't. They stop and check and see what we have to offer, or we have a list of guys constantly looking for stuff. So that's what I have to say. But, you know, long story short, very, very nice machine. Very comfortable. Big thing is here is Kubota has went through and made this a lot like everyone else's machine. And they did make this where you can go in and dial some things back. But one big thing I like that they stay true, this is still a pilot controlled machine, which is awesome. You still get an actual real reaction out of this machine compared to your EH, electric over hydraulic stuff, where it has to think about it for a second. So that's one thing I like. Kubota has a very good hydraulic coupler. It's quick, works very, very, very nice. So there again, guys, if you are looking for a like new machine and you want to save about, I don't know, $12,000, $13,000, here is a machine to take a look at. Very, very nice. Very clean. Sold one of these back in December with 300 hours. And I think I'm only like $2,000 more than what that one was in this one. So, very good deal on this machine. Very clean loader. Again, it is fully serviced. It is 100% ready to go to work. It does have that fully transferable warranty. Basically, guys, you are buying a like new loader here that is truthfully ready to go to work. Ice cold AC. Again, very, very nice machine. Standard or high flow auxiliary hydraulics. I forgot to do it. Nope, lights are on, lights are off now. Does have auto level option, which is nice. Guys, if you're looking, like I said, very nice clean machine, all original, 100% ready to go to work, 43 hours, 2025 year model machine, guys. Look no further. Here's a nice loader. 814-658-3066. As always, Thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. If you do need commercial financing, we can get that for you. If you need freight, let us know. Be glad to get you a shipping quote. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a great day.